Hi, welcome along to Barbecue Life UK. My name's Tom. Today we're cooking warm cookie dough on residual heat in the Aldi Kamado. That's right, we're not using any more charcoal. We've got all the vents shut off. We're just using the residual heat that is left over inside the Kamado to cook us up some warm cookie dough. If you're new here or you haven't yet subscribed, please do click the subscribe button. Make sure you ring the bell so you can receive notifications on our new content. So temperature's not so much of an issue on this cook. I'm sitting at just over 300 degrees C, but if your temperature's lower then you're just going to need to cook for a little bit longer. So we're going in with 115 grams of butter, which I've put in a saucepan and I'm just putting over the top vent to melt. And all the bottom vents are all closed off, so we're just using the heat that's coming out the top. Now that that's melted, we're going to add 110 grams of light brown sugar. So I had to use golden caster sugar, but if you can use light brown sugar that's even better. And into that we're going to add that to 150 grams of flour and then just give it a good stir until you get your dough consistency. Just keep moving it around and your lumps will come out. So once it's a doughy consistency, go in with 100 grams of chocolate chips or dark chocolate bar. I use chocolate orange for this, it works really well. And again, just give it a mix through. Just incorporate it all the way through. And then we're going to add this onto a baking tray. So your baking tray, you want to line that with some greaseproof paper just to stop it from sticking. Spread it out on there as best you can, and then it will spread once it's cooking anyway. So we're just going to put that on the Kamado. Say all the vents are shut, so we're just using that residual heat out of the ceramic. I'm putting it on top of a pizza stone only because I was cooking pizzas before. It'll work just fine on the grill, and this took about 4 to 5 minutes. The edges are a bit more crispy than the middle, which is just the way I like it. Just see, it's nice and crunchy across the bottom, but it's still soft on the top. So as you saw, this is a nice easy cook to do. Once you've finished everything else off, you're entertaining your guests. You just bung this on, it takes minutes to cook, and you've got dessert after everybody's finished as well. Give it a try, little corner piece. Your corner pieces are quite crunchy, your middle's going to be softer, which is just the way I like it. If you like what we're doing here at Barbecue Life UK, then please do subscribe to the channel, make sure you like the video, leave us a comment. Thank you very much for watching.